Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty. Welcome to day 9 of unboxing my #gifted LookFantastic beauty advent calendar. Let's just jump right in and have a look what's behind door number 9. This is the Diego Della Palma eye kohl pencil in the shade 01. It is your standard plain black eyeliner. I know about this brand already because I've already had several of these come through the door in a glossy box. And I think I've also had one of these in a birch box in the past as well. I am a little bit disappointed actually. This is nothing new, this is nothing innovative. This is a black kohl eyeliner. It goes on very creamy, very smooth. It will get used, all black eyeliners do. Oh, it's just so, just so sad that it is something that I have had numerous times before in Birchbox, subscription box type things. Thank you guys for watching. Are you as disappointed as I am that I unboxed just a plain black eyeliner? Let me know in the comments down below and I will see you again tomorrow for day 10.